welcome to the channel One Drink. I'm your host Miguel, and today we're gonna make the chocolate martini. Cheers! So this is a dessert drink. It's one of these drinks that you're gonna take to call it a day, to say, okay, I'm going to sleep, I'm not drinking more today. This type of, okay, last one and I go home drink. It's a dessert drink, it's a very sweet drink, so we're gonna use vodka for this particular one. I think it's good to use vodka since it's a sweet drink, so the best choice of spirit will be vodka. I don't recommend to use anything else. Apart of the vodka, we're gonna use Baileys, but any type of Irish cream will do the job as well, and some simple syrup, and of course chocolate syrup. Depends if you're using chocolate syrup or just melted chocolate, the sweetness will vary, so mine is not too sweet, so I'm gonna add a little bit of simple syrup. So okay, let's start. We take the shaker and we take our jigger, and into the jigger we're gonna put 2 ounces or 60 ml of vodka. Okay, you can use any type of vodka you like, and then we're gonna use 1 ounce of Irish cream. While I'm mixing that, please make sure to subscribe and press that bell button. Okay, nice. Then making a bit of a mess. 1 ounce of the chocolate syrup. As you see, it's kind of gooey and runny. Okay, it's not overly sweet, so I'm gonna add half an ounce of simple syrup. Nice. And also I will add half an ounce of crème de cacao to give a little bit more of this chocolatey flavor. Okay. So I don't have too much space, so I'm putting things aside. And before I put the ice, I will dry shake it just to make sure all the chocolate syrup is kind of well mixed with everything else. And then we're gonna add ice. And we're gonna shake. I hate this shaker. It's kind of make too much. Oh, there we go. Too much vacuum. Okay. And now the drink is ready. So I'm gonna double strain it. Look at that color. Okay, most people will decorate this with a cherry. I'm fine with it. It's kind of a nice treat at the end of the drink, but for today I think it's better to just shave some chocolate on top to decorate. Okay, and let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's really good. I think I can drink one of these after a good meal every time I'm out. Of course, if they know how to make those. But it's a really tasty drink. It's for some people could be a little bit over sweet. For me, since I have a sweet tooth, it's a really good balance between the simple syrup and the chocolate. So yeah, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy the drink, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Take care, everyone. Happy April Fool's Day, everyone. I'm the Tribal Bar Guy, and if you wonder what the hell just happened, within the community we decided to have some fun for April Fools and to share some recipes from other great channels out there. So I hope this will bring some laugh to the world and everyone will have a nicer day today. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.